It starts with a weekend, but it turns into something more. A place where time stretches out, mornings come easy, and the day pulls you forward. One path leads to the beach, another out on the water. And somehow, you find your way to all of it. Moments stack up without you noticing. Sun on your shoulders, salt in the air, laughter that carries a little further. Out there, everything feels bigger. Back here, everything feels close. And as the lights come on and the day winds down, you realize this wasn't just a trip. It was something you stepped into. Something you'll come back to. Sun Outdoors Orange Beach. It's your RV coastal connection.